Zhangjiang Weida Machinery Industrial Co. Limited is on site at a 3-ton production line upgrade project for a natural rubber processing factory in Ghana. During the upgrade process, relying on its advanced technology and rich experience, Weida Machinery has replaced the production line with a highly efficient and energy-saving new heart. Old equipment has been precisely replaced, and new high-output equipment has been integrated, leading to a significant leap in production efficiency. More remarkable is the personalized customization. Weida Machinery deeply understands the unique production rhythm and quality standards of the Ghanaian factory and has tailored a suitable solution. From rubber breaking, dehydration, and washing to the optimization of the finished rubber product, every detail reflects the craftsmanship of high-quality. Our tenet, constantly upgrade quality, create with Weida's craftsmanship. With attentive after-sales service, excellent upgrades, and personalized customization, we help the Ghanaian natural rubber processing factory reach new heights and open a new chapter in the development of the industry.